Acupressure for fatigue. In this video, you will learn what acupressure is, how to use acupressure safely and effectively, how to find acupressure points for fatigue. What is acupressure? Acupressure is a traditional Chinese medicine practice that stimulates the same points used with acupuncture, but with hands instead of needles. How to use acupressure safely. Before you start, it is important to follow these safety guidelines. Do not use acupressure on areas with open cuts, bruises, wounds, redness or swelling, surgical incisions, also called a cut, medical devices like IV tubes or a central line, tumors or known areas of metastases. Never use acupressure in place of other treatments your healthcare provider has prescribed. If you have any questions or concerns about using acupressure, talk with your care team. How to use acupressure effectively. Most acupressure points are located on both sides of the body. When you find the point, use the soft pad of your fingertip to apply steady pressure. Either press and hold the point or use small circular motion. Apply pressure for 3 minutes. The pressure should be firm but not painful. When you press on the point, you may feel a mild ache, soreness, or tingling. These feelings are normal and can be a sign you are pressing on the right spot. You should not feel sharp or intense pain. If you do, reduce the pressure. Press on each point as many times as you'd like each day. How to find acupressure points for fatigue. The 2 points that may help with fatigue are Do 20, also called governing vessel 20 or 100 convergences, stomach 36, also called leg 3 miles. Now we will show how to find each point. Do 20 point. This point is located at the top and center of your head. To find the Do 20 point, sit or stand in a comfortable position. Place one finger on the top of each ear. Slowly move your fingers upward along the sides of your head until they meet at the center of the skull, at the top of your head. Where your fingers meet at the highest point of your head, you may feel a small dip or flat spot. This is the Do 20 point. Do 20 is on the midline of the head, not to the left or right side. You can also find it by measuring 7 finger widths from your natural hairline at the front of your head towards the top. Stomach 36 point. The point is located on the front of your lower leg. It is located 4 finger widths below the knee and 1 finger width to the little toe side of the shin bone, the hard bone that runs down the front of your leg. To find the stomach 36 point, sit comfortably with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place 4 fingers from your index, also called your pointer finger, to your pinky, just below the lower edge of your kneecap. From the bottom of your pinky finger, move your other hand 1 thumb width to the outside of your shin bone, toward your little toe. Use your thumb or index finger to feel for a soft spot or small dip in the muscle. That is the stomach 36 point. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have questions about acupressure, please contact your care team. For more patient education videos, visit fredhutch.org/patient-education-videos.